I was facing a lot of sensitivity in my teeth, and they suggested that my teeth were overcrowding a bit, because of which I was getting cavities. The staff here was very nice, and they gave me a clean chronology of how the treatment will work. But after the braces, I have seen a lot of difference in my confidence, in the amount of photos that I post now. So my name is Nikita Nagpal. When I started the treatment, I was 21 years old, and now I'm 23 years old. So I've been coming here since the past 2 years, and whenever I call, there is a appointment for me, slot open for me, any issue that I have. So since last 2 years, I'm very happy with the treatment that I have taken from you. So basically, initially I was facing a lot of sensitivity in my teeth, for which I came here, and a problem of persistent cavities, for which I came here. So the doctors here saw what the problem was, and they suggested that my teeth were overcrowding a bit, because of which I was getting cavities. Secondly, my jaw alignment was wrong, because of which my lower jaw, my lower teeth line was getting rubbed off. The enamel was getting rubbed off, because of which I was getting sensitivity issues. So they suggested that my lower jaw should be aligned and my overcrowding should be fixed. So basically, they started with the treatment. They suggested me to go for braces, and so I went with braces. It took me almost 1.5 years, but the staff here was very nice. They gave me regular updates on when I have to come for what treatment, for what basically what was the aim of the visit. And they gave me a clean chronology of how the treatment will work. Every step was very transparent. I didn't have to ask questions from my side, because everything was told me very clearly. So that was a very big thing for me as a patient. Before the braces, I didn't really see that my smile was. Many people had told me that you shouldn't smile with your teeth because your teeth are a bit overcrowded. But after the braces, I have seen a lot of difference in my confidence, in the amount of photos that I post now. There's a high amount of difference with the confidence that I used to smile with, and with the confidence that now I smile with. So braces kind of really changed my face shape, the jaw alignment, it changed a lot. So that gave me a lot of confidence before and after braces.